Hi everyone, my name is Sadie Robinson. Today I will be talking about the social contract. The social contract. The social contract was written by Jean-Jacques Rousseau. He was a writer, composer, and a Jovian philosopher. He was born June 28, 1712 in Juvia, Republic of Juvia. He died July 2nd, 1778 at the age of 66 in Armenonville, France. Why social contract? It was written because men in the Enlightenment had too many rights, meaning they had too much power, making Europe a chaotic place. So Rousseau came up with the social contract. Overview of the social contract. The social contract was written in 1762. Rousseau got inspired from another Enlightenment philosopher named Thomas Hobbes, who was into politics. Rousseau believed that with this contract, a higher power should be in charge, like a king or king, but as of today, our higher power is Donald Trump. So therefore, the social contract was written to form a government. The results. With this contract, the world will be organized and not be so chaotic. With this contract, in order, it gave men rights, but not all rights, such as freedom of speech, their arms, anything. But as you might know, a lot of men did not agree with this. They had too much pride and ego to give up. A quote by Jean-Jacques Rousseau. Man is born free, and everywhere he is, in chains. Here is a picture of two germs, one holding the social contract, the other one by the sign his rights over. Discussion question. Do you guys think that Rousseau was smart for creating the social contract? So do y'all think it was great of him or good of him to come up with government? Thanks everyone for watching. That's my presentation on the social contract.